how to fix Instagram following and favorites feed option not showing. So if you want to fix Instagram following and favorites feed option not showing or not working, then what you need to do is first open up your Play Store, make sure that you have a stable internet connection, go with search, and under search, make sure that you have updated your Instagram. So search for Instagram. After searching, if you have any updates under your Instagram, you just need to simply go and update it. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem after updating, then what you need to do is just simply go and restart your device and it might fix your problem. Or the next thing you need to do is open up your Instagram. After opening, you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right, and here go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And after that, scroll down, go with help. Under help, go with report a problem and tap on report problem without shaking. Tap on don't include. And here you need to write that, hello Instagram, my following and favorites feed option is not working, so please help me with that. And after writing, you need to just simply go with send. And once you've sent, Instagram will help you with some guide on how you can fix your problem. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.